Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a remake of my Harbor Breeze Quimby ceiling fan. One, because I upgraded my phone to a higher frame rate, and two, just because I feel like it. As a lot of you know, it's my second favorite ceiling fan, and really the reason, or part of the reason why I started collecting fans again. I saw this, I knew I had to get it, and just fell in love with it. I'm so grateful to have this fan. It's really a beautiful fan, and it's also, in the past 2 years, been a really desired fan for many collectors to get. So I'm just gonna do a remake for y'all and show you what its true speeds look like without any video lag. As you know, I got this fan while I was on vacation. It got shipped from Virginia. My neighbors held it on and handed it over to me, so yeah. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Here's a light. And really what makes the fan, the light is just beautiful. Yes. And it's dimmable too. If you just hold down the light button, all right, we're gonna cut this part out. Goes through a series of cycles. So and that should be about full dimness, as you can see here. And if I push the light button on again, let me just get it to full brightness. There we go. That should be about full brightness. Without further ado, we're gonna start up on low speed. And yes, it's moving clockwise because it's this time of year where everything's starting to get cold, especially in my basement, so yeah. So this fan came absolutely new out of the box. Looks like it came from the store. I know people say it's special order, but it looks like this model of the Quimby came from the store. It's dated June of 2011, if I'm not wrong. And started its life out as a core loft concept created by Jay Tinnen. And a few months later, it was in production. A few years later, here it is in its glory. Medium. For such a beautiful fan, the remote doesn't do it justice. It's just your plain Harbor Breeze 3-speed egg remote. Because it's made by Fanimation, I should probably get a Fanimation like FanSync or remote for this. I think it would look a lot better for this exact fan. Sorry if I'm doing a lot of camera straightening, but just want to get this video at a good angle. All right, here's high speed. I don't know why, but now it wobbles a little bit. Looks like the light's wobbling. It's not good. I'm not sure why it wobbles now, but it's not a good sign, but whatever the case is, it's beautiful. Obviously I can't do an airflow test because it's spinning clockwise, so obviously warm air is being dragged up, so this fan won't push any air whatsoever. Weird without the light, but it doesn't look good at all with the light off while it's moving. It's just, the light's really what makes this fan. It's intended, I guess, to be on while in operation. Turned off. This fan has really meant something to me in recent years, and like I said earlier, really grateful to have this fan. It's a very desired fan, and it's just enthrallingly beautiful. That's really all I can say. I'm out of lots of words right now. And without further ado, that'll be it for Harbor Breeze Quimby.